Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue clear slime in under 5 minutes. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... Also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make quick and easy no glue clear slime in 5 minutes, and the setup is actually really different right now because I'm filming in my room, but the lighting isn't too different because I use the same lights everywhere I go. But the ingredients you guys need to make quick and easy no glue clear slime is shampoo, and you will also need a body wash. The next thing you guys will need is salt, and I'm just using sea salt. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. And I'm just going to use this like face mask mixing tool. I do have some face mask on here, but I'll take that off. Okay, so I'm first going to take out my bowler plate, and I'm going to add in equal amount of shampoo and body wash. And I'm going to do that now. Okay, looks like enough. They actually look really similar in color, but the body wash is actually just a bit more thicker. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get mixing it together. And you can see it's already getting really thick, which is very good. I actually want to try touching it already. Yes, it's not even sticking to me at all, which is awesome. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out my sea salt, and I'm actually going to put some over here. And my dog's behind me and she's staring at me. Hi, Sophie. And I'm going to sprinkle some of the sea salt in there. Okay, so I added the salt in there, and now I'm just going to mix it up even more. And you're going to be mixing it faster now so it forms better. Okay, so I mixed it enough, and you can see now it's formed really well. It's not sticking to me at all, and this is basically quick and easy no glue clear slime if you want it. It's sticking to me a little bit best because I picked it up really fast, but this is how you make it really simple. But now what I'm going to do to make it even better is I'm actually going to put this into the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then when it's done, it will be set and done, and I'll show you guys how it is. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes, and now I'm going to see how it turned out. And I can tell it got thicker already, which is pretty good actually. And now I'm just going to get poking it, and yep, it's not sticking to me. And this formed really well. I feel like I should have added less of the shampoo, and the shampoo I used was just this Pantene one. I use a lot of this brand for no glue slimes, but I did use this body wash, and it worked really well, and I actually want to try adding a little bit more into there. It's actually my older sister's body wash, so I'm only going to use a little bit. This body wash is really thick though, so like, yeah. I'm going to see if anything happened, and yep, it got much thicker. So use more body wash is what I'm basically telling you guys by adding that in there. The body wash will make it much thicker, and will actually make it, you can actually pick it up a bit too. But this is pretty quick and easy no glue slime. This is a real recipe. I know a lot of you guys are like, oh, you faked your recipe, or this recipe isn't real, but this is how you make real no glue clear slime. It's still gonna stick to you. If you put it in the actual freezer for like, I guess 30 more minutes, it would get much thicker. But yeah, so this is how you make no glue clear slime in about 5 minutes. The original recipe was 5 minutes, but I wanted to show you guys how to make it in a quicker time. But if you want to make it super thick, put it in the freezer. But yeah, bye guys, love you, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye. Also remember to check out my TikTok. I've been posting a lot of TikToks on there. It's just AllieClaire28. So yeah, bye guys.